Hey YouTube, this is my cat mini bike put together. Just have the frame and the pretty much rolling chassis, frame, wheels, seat, handlebars. Scraped it all down, sanded it all down, primed it, painted it. I get a new back tire, back wheel. It's like 65 bucks on eBay. Got a Predator 6.5 horse engine on it. Works well, a little too well. Like everybody I let ride it do a wheelie, I tell them be careful, but it's kind of hard not to. The seat that came with it, I had these springs here that I got when I bought my motorcycle. The first time I rode it on dirt trail, it was just horrible on my back, so I put these springs on there, so hopefully, well, it's a lot better. And I just took it out, put some new bolts on my handlebars. My bolts that I had on there were obviously not too strong because handlebars just flew off of my hand when I was riding the trail just now, and so I had to come back and put some new bolts on. But yeah, I think it's fun, fast. Anyway, that Cushman sticker on there that was on there when I got it, so I'll sand it out. Yeah, it's my little toy. Fucker's fun.